I am here to present a speech that corruption is the biggest hindrance in Pakistan path to prosperity. Distinguished audience, I put a question that what is a corruption? Corruption means extortion. Corruption means patronism. Corruption means procuralism. Corruption means patronage. Corruption means nepotism. Corruption means cronyism. Corruption means deliberating abuse of power. Corruption means killing of merit. Corruption means killing of justice. Corruption means delaying of projects and decisions. In short, corruption is the mother of all evils. Honorable Chief Guest and distinguished audience, we know that corruption is the biggest obstacle to prosperity of Pakistan. We know that corruption is the enemy of high use, development and prosperity of the nation. We know that corruption is a killer poison for the nation. We know that corruption has killed merit and justice from the society. Honorable Chief Guest and distinguished audience, then I put once again a question, then why we are silent and why we don't take steps to get rid of this evil, which is the mother of all evils? Because we are corrupt and we don't want a prosperous and developed Pakistan. Distinguished audience, we also know that corruption has terrorized people mentally. We know that corruption has made Pakistan economically hollow. We know that corruption has made lives of people miserable. We know that corruption has killed merit and justice. Honorable Chief Guest and distinguished audience, I once again put a question. Then why we are silent and why we don't take steps to get rid of this evil, which is corruption? Because we are corrupt and we don't want a prosperous and developed Pakistan. Honorable Chief Guest and distinguished audience, Allah Almighty has blessed Pakistan with immense blessing and resources, but here, despite these resources, there is no impact of law on the lives of the people. Why? Because of two main reasons. First is the arrival of corrupt people in the hall of power, and second is the unfair distribution of resources. Honorable Chief Guest, let me tell you fact, reality and truth. I believe but a little bit in the good performance of national institutions and also media and leadership of Pakistan, because these are controlled, these are corrupt, and they pave the way for corruption for others. Honorable Chief Guest and distinguished audience, if Pakistan becomes economically weak due to corruption, if poverty becomes common due to corruption, if merit and justice ends due to corruption, if there is no one law for the poor and powerful due to corruption, if institutions interfere in each other's work due to corruption, if institutions violate constitutional boundaries and cross the constitutional boundaries due to corruption, if institutions are not independent due to corruption, if institutions are not free corruption, institutions due to corruption, if all these errors are due to corruption, then Honorable Chief Guest and dear audience, let me put a question, then why we don't take steps to get rid of corruption? Because we are corrupt and we don't want a prosperous and developed Pakistan. Honorable Chief Guest, is the best solution to eradicate corruption. Each of us should be accountable. And I never guess our country is an Islamic democratic country. Our constitution was made in the light of Holy Quran and Sunnah, but unfortunately, here is the opposite of original Islamic teachings. Honorable Chief Guest and distinguished audience, eradication of corruption is our national duty. So, come, promise, and dare to save our beloved country from this disaster and make Pakistan a prosperous and also developed country. May Allah make Pakistan prosperous and developed country. Long life Islam, long life